Sir, why am I being detained?
ID, or are you going to give me your social, name, date of birth? One of the three.
Why am I being detained?
Wait a minute, let me get this straight. So you mean to tell me police officers are being briefed every day to ID everyone, even passengers, if they haven't committed a crime? And if they don't give you ID, you're going to use everything that you can that the law allows to bully them into submission? They're going to use Pennsylvania versus Mims to get you out of the car. They're going to use Terry v. Ohio to claim officer safety. And if you try to tell them that you have constitutional rights, they're going to label you as a sovereign citizen. This, my friends, is not what American freedom stands for. Check out this video from Audits, Ohio. Go subscribe. Let them know I sent you.
I didn't. You got ID on you?
Sir, what crime am I committed?
Well, I can tell you right now, she's got some issues going on.
Okay, but you guys pulled her over. I'm not driving.
You're all in a car that have plates that don't belong on it. So once we get everybody identified, we can go that route, or we can play the hard route.
Sir.
Do what?
Sir, I didn't commit any crime. What crime have I committed?
All right, you want to step out of the car too then? Go into handcuffs?
Sir, why am I being detained?
ID, or are you going to give me your social, name, date of birth? One of the three.
All right, folks, let me try to explain this. Police officers can ask you for your social security number, just like they can ask the passenger for ID. But folks, pay attention to the wording. Just because they can ask you, that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to give up your rights. You have rights, folks. Don't forget that. What are your rights? Do you even know the First Amendment? I doubt it. Stick around till the end of the video. I'll let you know what the First Amendment is. Then you'll begin to understand your rights. Can they ask you for your ID and your social security number? Yes. Do you have to give it up? No. Should they be allowed to do it in the form of a threat? Hell no. Keep watching.
Why am I being detained?
Hey, you want to watch him in the back? He's claiming chest pains. Do what?
Why am I? Unless we're in the commission of a crime.
Go ahead and put that out real quick. I got the fan. Huh? I got the fan.
Love ya.
He said she's calling mom that has answers. Go and leave your phone in the car.
Here, record this.
You got any guns or anything crazy on you? Just don't reach in your
I
pocket.
don't have any.
Or make it easy.
I do not give you permission to search me.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Arms together. Do you have any guns or any knives or anything like that on you?
No, sir. I do not give consent to search me.
Well, guess what? I can pat you down for weapons.
I know.
You understand that, correct?
Yes, sir.
Backwards. What's this? Put it in there, okay? That way it doesn't get broke.
I don't give you permission to search me.
I don't want it to get broke, okay?
Is this not your stepmom's car?
It is.
Anybody on the phone?
Yeah, I'm talking to her.
Huh?
I'm talking to her now.
Okay. What was her name again?
Crystal. It's Crystal. The car's in.
Unfortunately, that's where the video ends, but he does have more videos on his channel. I gotta say something really quick. You guys are gonna like this. I keep seeing new channels popping up, and it's not because we are propagating for them to go out of their way and record police. I mean, I do try to motivate folks, but the true inspiration comes from bad police officers when they violate someone's rights. It happens over and over again. One of the comments that we always get is, police earn the hate. Well, it makes sense. No wonder they need propaganda. Back the blue and support the blue and blue line flags and yada, yada, yada. All this cockamamie nonsense. We have figured it out, folks. Police want you to comply and give up your rights. Sometimes under the guise of officer safety, but it's undeniable. Hundreds, if not thousands of videos of police misconduct are popping up on social media everywhere, all across the board. I just kind of jumped on it soon. My platform's grown, and I always remind you guys, if you have a video that you'd like to send us, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. If it's educational, or if police are harassing you and you need some support in your community, let us know. A lot of these officers, when folks let them know that they're going to be on San Joaquin Valley Transparency, the look on their faces is priceless. We've gotten a chief of police fired. We've gotten other officers reprimanded. And it's going to continue, not because I'm going to do this forever, probably not, but because police always propagate for themselves to continue to behave the way that they do. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you go subscribe to Audits Ohio's channel. I'd like to see this guy's channel grow. One more thing before I go, folks. We have some new developments going on over here. I have been invited to do some events in Los Angeles with some big names like the Pop Brothers and the Cannabis Talk 101 guys. I'm really excited to see things happening and moving forward, not just for myself, folks, but for the people. First and foremost, I started my channel for the people. That's why when I'm not out there recording police, I help your channels grow. Many of you already know that. I have support in Canada, in Australia, in the UK, from sea to shining sea in the States, and I appreciate every single one of you folks. And for those of you who are not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now and hit the bell. I promise you, you will learn something from this channel. And if you don't learn anything with 3 videos, go ahead and unsubscribe again. I'll truly miss you, especially today since it's Valentine's Day. And the rest of you that stick around, get ready, folks, because I'm also building a newsroom and a studio, and I'm getting a lot of help from some people who have already been successful in these arenas. I also have a documentary that I'm working on with Direct D and Reluctant Prophet. The documentary is going to be called Reluctant Prophet. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, or just go binge watch my videos and let me know in the comment section what you've learned. Happy Valentine's Day to all the mothers and the ladies out there, especially those of you women who believe in freedom, not just your own, but everyone else's. For those of you who understand that in America, feelings are only important to you, and maybe sometimes your friends and family. And maybe police officers need to understand that they need to be out there enforcing laws, not feelings. All right, folks, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
1A Media, I'll turn you to a superstar. San Joaquin gon' educate you by your cop car. Preaching know your rights, cause it's time. You should get yours, cause I'm about to get mine. I'm teaching the course, so come and stand in this line. The footage so real, make sure you catch it online. Crooked or a bootlicker, we know what to do with you. We gon' let you speak your lies, then the truth hit you. Give you some education and some motivation. Cause I ain't gon' watch the pigs just bully the nation. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Pay them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watching, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watching, not so quick to call 911. Cause they pull up and they don't care who got the gun. They cuffing everybody, don't care who was the one. Guess we all Clifford, I bet we all differ. I pay way too much cash to get bullied by the law. Pulling up to the car with your gun, what's that for? Ain't nothing illegal on me, you still searching for more. You better put that phone out and record, we caught watching. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Pay them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We caught watching, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We caught watching.